Hello everyone, this is Kejinsan. Hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'm gonna talk about 5 things that you could improve on your performance on your car. So the first thing is your tires. So why the tires? All your power from your engine and your transmission are going through your wheels and your tires. So if you have worn out tires, you're gonna spin and you're losing power. If you wanna make the most of your engine, you need better traction and better grip. So you need better tires or brand new tires. For number 2 will be your wheels. Why your wheels? Well, not any kind of wheels. You need those lightweight wheels, not the steely ones. So you'll have better handling and you'll be faster too. So I forgot to mention that if you have better tires and better wheels, lightweight wheels, you'll have better braking too. So number 3 will be your engine mount. Why your engine mount? If you have a faulty engine mount that shakes on your cabin and you feel your steering shaking, so you need to replace your engine mount. And when you replace your engine mount, trust me, you have instant power. You won't feel any shakes. It will be instant power on your wheels. If you have good engine mount, you could change the performance one. They're made of steel, and when you press on the gas, you feel the instant power like through the wheels. So you won't have any shakes or anything. So number 4 will be your spark plugs. So if you have bad spark plugs, that could lead to misfiring, and you could change with good ones nowadays with iridium. While there's the normal one, and there's the platinum one, there's a double platinum one, and there's the iridium. I even know a guy who changed for iridium ones and he got more 55 horsepower on his car. So why not change to iridium, and they last forever. They last for like 5-7 years. So change with good ones and you have more horsepower on your wheels and you're good to go. So the guy who had 55 more horsepower by changing their spark plugs with the iridium probably had like 500-600 horsepower. So you won't make a lot of horsepower, like a lot of dramatic change on your 4-cylinder. So maybe probably like a 10-15 horsepower, but that's better than nothing. Like your factory, if you have a worn out spark plugs, it's even worse. You're losing horsepower, maybe like 10 horsepower, 5 horsepower, but still it's better to change them. So number 5, the last one, will be fuel injector cleaner. Why fuel injector cleaner? If you have a lot of carbon buildup on your engine, and you have a fuel injector clogged up, so if you pour a fuel injector cleaner on your gas tank, and you could even pour the STP one and the seafoam one on your crankcase too. So if you put both like half and something like that, it's gonna clean up, and trust me, you'll have more horsepower. I even seen a lot of proof on the dyno. Probably it's gonna make 5 to maximum 10 horsepower. Depending the car and the year, you're actually losing 1 horsepower every year. So because of the worn out parts and stuff. But if you use fuel injector cleaner, you're gonna actually restore the power, but not because of the worn out parts, because you're actually cleaning the carbon buildups inside. So you're gonna actually make up to the factory horsepower. So this is it. 5 things that you can do to improve your performance on your car. There are basic things, 5 basic things that you can do. Even daily drivers, even tuners, and even you guys racers, man. Even you guys, man. After that, it's a turbo, supercharged, straight pipe exhaust, cold air intake. Don't buy cold air intake. It's a waste of money. $300 waste, man. Yeah, I forgot the headers. You can do the headers too first. And if you live in California, don't straight pipe your car, man. You should probably start with the cat back exhausts, and then you could put like a high flow cat too. Oh, that's it for today. If you like more videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and stay safe on the road. Peace.